Alright, it's like 8 p.m. or so. We just been hanging out with this retired Houston police officer. He put in his bit. You know, he said that the city had paid, for good help and good security, so he felt that he was obliged to make sure that, the private citizens got that. I thought that was pretty cool. Could have been bullshit. Who knows? Cops, mechanics, we all bullshit. But here we are, Saturday night. Turns out it's Memorial Day weekend. This is what our third vacation that I accidentally took on a holiday. The one before that one was Super Bowl. The one before that one I think was Mardi Gras or something.
Oh, yes.
That sucked.
And Super Bowl was combined with Valentine's Day.
It was a Valentine's Super. Yep, sure was. But we had Royce and Cassie with us too. That was a pain in the butt. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. We're getting ready to pick a spot to camp for the night. I'm choosing to be by the water or on the water, one or the other. Those are my choices. Pups have had a great day. They got to play in the water. I don't think we got to film any of that.
No, we were just...
Scirocco decided to do the entire Guadalupe River, left side to right side, and then back. I was so proud of him. He looked like a little rat trying to cross the river.
Sassy Bear, on the other hand.
Sassy Bear was so frightened that she destroyed my girlfriend's back, and all you could see was a dog just like sitting right here on her head, just like, help me. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You were a joke. Weta Bear said, you can find me in a truck. She refused, absolutely. All right, see how the night goes.